Ag Day is brought to you by Stein Seed. Through extensive research, decades of expertise, and stronger industry relationships, it's easy to see why Stein has yield plus so much more. Discover the Yield Plus advantage at steinseed.com.
Meteorologist Matt Engelbrecht joins us again. Matt, farmers may experience some whiplash when it comes to temperatures this week.
Yeah, looking at that snowfall estimate, as we just saw, there is going to be quite the warm up into the Midwest and also the plains the next couple of days, but cold air behind that system will increase the snowfall chances late in the work week and also a little bit into the week. And you can see that top left corner of your screen, that cold air combined with that moisture bringing the snowfall into parts of northern Minnesota. And this is going all the way into next week and next weekend, with majority of the snow in the United States back out here in the higher terrain. So staying relatively quiet from a snowfall perspective, because temperatures are going to be above average for a good portion of the nation middle part of the work week, but by the weekend we'll start to flip that script back around. Now, as for the wind speed forecast, so it's not just a warm air intrusion with this next system, it's also a windy one as well. This is Tuesday at 5 o'clock, seeing more of the 20-25 mile per hour winds back up here into Montana. And then as we go forward through our Tuesday and into our Wednesday, right along that next cold front, that boundary by Wednesday morning, we'll see again some strong winds on the backside of the cold front. You get to the right side or to the east of this line right here, and it's going to be more of a warm breeze with temperatures back above average coming up Wednesday afternoon. Like I said, all that is going to change back around with that cold front in the forecast. And here's another look at those temperatures. So later on this afternoon, you're seeing some cooler air back out here into the northeast, warmer in the parts of Texas and also Oklahoma, into Nebraska, a couple of 70s, with that warm front kicking up some of the warmer air out ahead of that cold front. We'll see overnight lows in the 60s on one side of the front and the 30s and 40s on the other side. That's a 20-degree difference at the same time over a short distance. That's where our strong winds start to come from. As for the afternoon, we'll call it mild tomorrow afternoon. The 78 in New Orleans, 74 in Memphis, 71 degrees in Atlanta, more of the 60s. And then into Wednesday, we'll see those Wednesday into Thursday, we'll see those warmer than average temperatures start to come back down. So another way to look at it, this is the above average temperature map coming in on Tuesday, and then by Wednesday we start to eat away at those above average temperatures going into the weekend. I expect to see a slight warm up, nothing like what we're going to see on Tuesday or Wednesday across the nation, but it will help with the snowfall precipitation, the snowfall basically staying back up here to the north rather than extending back down through the United States by Saturday and Sunday. We'll start off with Oregon, turning sunny. Frost Wednesday morning, high of 47, low of 20. Nebraska, Ellesmere, a few clouds, breezy tomorrow, high around 70. And Red Bank, South Carolina, cold morning, sunny afternoon.